Hey guys, it's your girl Stacy Viro. I'm done changing my name so that people are able to say, you're gonna say it how it's said. Okay? Bradley, Jimmy, Rebecca, Sarah. We're gonna say these names how they're supposed to be said. Okay? Okay. So for today's video, I'm doing another wig install. I feel like people keep trusting me with these. They keep trusting me like I'm a hairstylist or something. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, I'm just a little bit gas. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. But every time I do it, we're getting better. Watch out. Because we're getting better every single time we do it. Okay? Hey. Itching about it. Itching about it. Today's video is sponsored by a hair company. They go by the name of, I've been struggling with this all day. We're gonna try. Okay? Klaiyi. Klaiyi. This is them. I've tried to pronounce it with all my might and it's not happening. I just don't know what to do once I get to the Y. I don't know what happens after. Okay. Anyway, so they sent me rock the boat. They sent me a 22-inch straight wig, a lace front. I already bleached the knots and plucked it to customize it to my own head shape, because doing that on camera is a little bit nerve-wracking. And as I was bleaching the knots, I was like, what if I give myself like a little streak? It kind of looks scary, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so they gave me a wiggy cap, a wiggy cap. I'm not even gonna like, it's black. I'm so sorry. Does that match? Does it match? I'm so sorry. I'm gonna speed this part up for you guys because this is not an entertaining part to watch. 1, 2, go. Okay, so I put a little bit of foundation on the inside of this. Oh, don't mind the hole. Ooh. I poked it while I was plucking it. Pretty. This streak is scaring me. I'm not gonna lie. One time I saw an auntie at church and she wore her wig to church like with the lace on. Like this was a veil. She already said. I was like, you need to pray that God cuts that off for you. How do I want to go about this? Do I want to use the gel? Yeah, no. We're gonna put some gel and some got-to-be because we're trying to have this late. I can barely see anything. Where's my mirror? Ah, I'm a motherfucking monster.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Is my head humongous or is this just bugging? Pretty sure this wig does not go all the way down to my ears. Yo, this wig is something else, not gonna lie. Okay, so of about 5 minutes of me bare struggling. Hi, Daddy.
Yes, hi.
I'm recording a YouTube video. Would you like to say hello?
Hello, how are you?
Come this way. See me, see trouble.
Hello.
This is my daddy. I don't know when I'm gonna finish doing this. Huh? I'm gonna leave him in. I'm gonna let him get his camera time.
Take care.
I'm gonna put a thin layer of this on here. Guys, I'm really trying to speed through this because the way I waste time putting wigs on, like I waste time. I'm a time waster. This time we're putting it very thin, very thin, because you can always add, but you cannot always subtract. That is simple mathematics. 1 + 1 is 2. 2 + 2 is 4. Quick maths. Bring it on. Guys, have my friend Philip on the phone. I'm gonna put the lace on top. Ooh, I need to pay attention. We're gonna press and hold and press and hold and press and hold and press and hold. My sideburn does not come. It's not coming down. It's supposed to come down to here. It's okay. You know what this wig is giving me? Scar. Like scar. Is that scar? from the Lion King who has like one, or is it? He has like black and this color fur. That's what it's giving me. Guys, when you're cutting the lace, try to cut it in like a zigzag line, cause when it's cut in a straight line, you can see that it's a wig. It's given very wiggy. I'm gonna get, what if I tell her I really have nothing to do while, normally I would like flat iron my hair while this is tied, pero like I did that before because I just be thinking, you know. Alright guys, so I just did a little like swoop-de-whoop, swoop-de-whoop, and I added a little bit of concealer to my part, but it's really harsh, but we're gonna fix it. Eddie, can you do me a favor? Un favor. Actually, no. Por favor.
No.
What do you want?
In the drawer down there. Pay attention. Oh, attention will pay you. Thank you. I'm gonna take this spray by L'Oreal. I use it in every single video. If you don't watch these wig videos, I will beat you.
How are they gonna see this message if they don't watch it?
What?
If to the people.
Well, if they just happen to watch this one. Don't get technical now.
It's just like, hey, girl, shut the fuck up. I ain't gotta explain shit to you.
I'm gonna take this L'Oreal root spray. I'm not even sure what it's L'Oreal root spray. Should I hot comb first and then do this, or do this and then hot comb?
I don't know what hot comb means.
I don't know what hot combing means. I'm gonna hot comb first. Let's not mess up.
Gonna put the mirror down?
Go ahead. Have fun. I burn my head through this every single time. Oh, I feel the burn. I feel it. My scalp. Look, like a wig, like a straight wig really be looking really cute when you got it flat, when you really harass it with your hot comb. If you don't stop playing that background noise, excuse me sir, put the volume down. I like to make it look like I just got a relaxer at the salon. So I give it like a pull back look. You see the way that's pulled back? It's like my lace is laid. I ain't got nothing to hide. Sweary pie. So I'm gonna just take this, right? Put it on my part, like so, like that. Beautiful. One second. I'm gonna sleep with this so I can really have time to marinate in my scalp and really just melt and get into the vibrations of the dance. Then I'll come back in the morning when I'm all done up or whatever. I'ma see you in the morning. Andy, dos. Look at me in the cribs. Look at me in the cribs. Ah! And then I dyed that one strip, as you guys can see, for everybody that clowned me for doing that. I'm giving you very much so Reese's Pieces. Very much so peanut butter cup. But this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope I kept you guys entertained. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Or dislike. Me don't care about that, to be honest. Make sure you guys click that bell down below. You see the bell? You see the bell? Ring that, John. Because you want to get your post notifications whenever I post. You want to miss this? You want to miss this? If you want to miss it, just go. Because I don't have time. Like, I don't... Get out of my face! Alright, guys. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! Look at my fucking cribs. Oh, look at my cribs. Lower your cribs. Because you can get cribbed. With all the crimps in my system. I'm the crib. And next day I forget it. I'm done. Guys, I look so cute.